All right, here we go. This is a 8x8 FB Sport. I don't know whatever the specific model is, but you can see what it looks like here. And great thing, it has nice grab handles all the way around it, D-rings, and I'm gonna kind of pull it over to myself right now. And obviously the pool is really nice. You can see it's not really filled up right now, but as soon as you get any kind of weight in there, it'll start to yeah, you can see it just by pushing down, you start to get the water. Now it does say right on the side, like, you shouldn't be jumping around in the pool, especially if you're an adult. We have a 2-year-old that's, whoa, doing it for the YouTube, getting wet here. But you see, as soon as I stand in it, you know, it fills up with some water. But you shouldn't be a grown adult just standing up in the mesh if you want it to last a while. This is really nice, never gets hot, a lot of good material, especially if you got the dog coming in. You can see we got the dog dock or dog stairs right here, and those are real nice. You can see them on a lot of floats now. Some are filled in and they just have the little ladder. I suggest this, even if you don't have a dog, just so nice to kind of climb right up, get a footing. You know, our baby's floating around, starting to swim now, she's 2, and even same thing, it's just easy for her to kind of go right up, get a bearing, and come on. Now, turn this camera around so you can see. On this 8x8, I pretty much take up one whole square right here. So now you look, you got a whole square there, pretty much 3 of those in the middle, and that. So you can fit 6-7 people on this thing. Plus, it's very sturdy. So the other day we had a bunch of people hanging off of it in their floats, just kind of attached or got an arm on it just so that they're not floating away. And I mean, it makes for a really good time. Now, they do have the 10x10, and we were considering that, but it was like an extra $200, maybe even a little more than that, during Amazon Prime time, because the 10x10 wasn't on Prime at all, but the 8x8 was. So this was more than $200 cheaper. So we couldn't really justify the extra 200 bucks just for the extra 20 square feet. But I will say, if you have a super large family or something, you really want it, then it's probably worth it. I mean, we hang out with lots of people all the time because there's a bunch of people here, usually even more people, probably will be in a little bit. But the 8x8 works really well. And you can see I'm just chilling here. That's nice. Let me see. And I'll get up here. Now mind you, I'm doing this one-handed while I'm holding the phone, but it's sturdy, you know what I mean? And you can see it's not like creasing or anything. What I do personally is I use like one of those electric pumps, blow it up like 95% of the way because it's pretty quick, and then use the hand pump for like the last 10-15 pumps just to get it to be extra firm, because you're never going to get that super firmness out of an electric pump unless you have a really expensive one. But if you just have the normal kind of plug-in from Airhead or something like that, it's just not going to work enough to get the firmness that you need. So just be mindful of that. You can see got the D-rings on there, the handles, even got D-rings on the side, so if you still want to have one of those little drop-in ladders, you can, or whatever. And then you can see they just work perfect for having some of the bungee tie-offs or whatever. Yeah, just a really good setup. We love it. Working great all vacation, and I think we're both really happy that we bought it. It was a really great deal, and looks like it's holding up. It's been a whole week of vacation. It's still here, still standing, so that's a testament to it. You know, if I have a long-term, I'll try to do a long-term review, because that's what we do here. But leave your comments down below. Are you looking at this one? What other ones are you looking at? Have you had any problems? Do you have any questions about this that I haven't answered? I'll try to put it. I try to answer everybody if they leave a comment. So, you know, hit me up. And while you're down there, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, all that YouTube stuff, all that nonsense. And it's vacation, so I need to get back to it. SK Lifestyle.